It's that time of the year again when Xiaomi releases the next iteration of its best-selling budget fitness band, the Mi Band. This year's Mi Band 8 is most likely to follow in the footsteps of its predecessors by retaining the crown of best budget fitness tracker in the world. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, that's Zim Tech Guy. So the 2023 Mi Band is a major upgrade from last year's Mi Band 7 and it's most likely to become the best budget fitness tracker for 2023. And you can quote me on that. So what's new for the Mi Band 8? Well, for starters, the plastic makes way for a more sleeker looking non-conductive vacuum metallization. In short, NCVM metallic frame. When translated for you and I, it basically means a cool looking metallic frame which comes in two colors, light gold and bright black. And just by this one move, Xiaomi has opened up a new demography for the Mi Band 8. And let's be honest, the previous Mi Bands were not versatile enough to fit in a formal setting, if you get what I mean. But the Mi Band 8 can pull that off, especially now that the straps on the Mi Band 8 can be detached, even replaced. So far, Xiaomi is selling leather and metallic straps for the Mi Band 8 for around $30. I know, it's almost like the same price as the Mi Band 8 itself. But we need to think of options here. Talking of options, you can also wear the Mi Band 8 as a pendant if you so wish. This is called necklace mode. There's also a pebble mode, but you will need to buy a separate running pod for that, or you could just stick to the default TPU straps that come with the Mi Band 8. So the Mi Band 8 weighs twice as much as its predecessor, the Mi Band 7 from last year. A small price to pay for premium. Perhaps the only downside that I've seen when it comes to a metallic frame as opposed to plastic is when it comes to temperatures outside. Right now we're in winter, and if you go outside with the Mi Band 8, you probably feel just a bit of coldness, but it's not that unbearable, by the way. It's something that you can live with or get used to. The Mi Band 8 retains the same 1.62-inch 192 by 490 pixel AMOLED display from last year, but 100 nits brighter than the Mi Band 7 at 600 nits of brightness. The Mi Band 8's display comes equipped with a new ambient light sensor, allowing for adaptive brightness depending on your environment. You'll also notice a smoother scrolling experience since the display now has 60 Hz refresh rate support. The Mi Band 8 also retains the always-on display feature, but this may have a bearing on the battery. Now, talking about the battery, the Mi Band 8 has a 190 mAh cell inside, good for around 16 to 17 days of usage, or around 6 days of usage if you have the always-on display feature enabled. This is more or less true in real-world usage, and in my opinion, the Mi Band 8 has excellent battery life. You can charge the Mi Band 8 in under an hour. The band supports 2C fast charging. In terms of durability, for the price, I would say the Mi Band 8 is fairly durable. It comes with a 5 ATM water rating, which means it can withstand water pressure up to a depth of 50 meters before it suffers water damage. So unless you'll be going deep sea diving, you have nothing to worry about. So even the occasional dings into objects will not scuff up the Mi Band 8. However, there's one issue that I've seen that has been carried over from the Mi Band 7, and that is to do with the TPU straps. For some reason, they like hanging into stuff, like if you may be carrying something, they just can easily come off. And that's how I lost my Mi Band 7, which I actually reviewed last year. So in terms of the TPU straps, yeah, something has to be done. But it's a good thing that there are now options, especially when it comes to the leather and the metallic. Probably that will make your Mi Band 8 a bit safer. There are also enhancements on the software side of things. The Mi Band 8 now supports widgets. There are now more workout modes, over 150 to be exact. The Mi Fitness app does a splendid job of keeping track of your data. You can also download different watch faces from the thousands of options in the Mi Fitness app. So if you're going to be getting the Chinese versions like I did, you might have a torrid time trying to set this thing up on the Mi Fitness app. However, pro tip, just select China as the region and everything will go as planned. So talking about the price, the Chinese version of the Mi Band 8 is retailing for around $40. And I foresee the global version becoming a bit more expensive than that. Maybe it will probably retail around $50. So bear that in mind. Now, what makes the Mi Bands a consistent bestseller is the inclusion of accurate sensors at a cheaper price. The Mi Band 8 can continuously measure your steps, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen saturation levels better than some even more expensive fitness trackers. It doesn't come with a dedicated GPS though. But all that aside, the Mi Band 8 remains great value for anyone who's looking for a budget fitness tracker that is of good quality and that comes under $50. So as for me, I would definitely recommend you to purchase the Mi Band 8. You will not be disappointed, especially when it comes to the pricing. This is probably the only smart band that you can get at this price that comes with so many features. And that is the reason why it has been a consistent bestseller. If you're looking to get one, I'll leave a few links in the description, which will also help out the channel as well. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. That'll be good for the algorithm. Otherwise, see you in the next video.